Dom here from Essential RC. Thanks for tuning in for another flight test in actual reality. This is part 2 of our flight test of the Eachine F-16 Mini Falcon. So our first video of this, it was very sensitive, even on the mid-flight mode, which was a bit unexpected, not typical of Eachine models that we've flown in the past. So I uploaded that video, got loads of comments on it, quite a few views, which was really good. But Ground Control RC, a subscriber and a regular commenter on our videos, thanks very much for that. Top man, because he already had one of these and he advised some changes, a modification to make to it. And that was basically to make a change to the position of the push rods on the elevator. So you'll see in these images that I'm sharing now, so what I basically did was I opened up the bottom of the F-16 so that I could get to the 3 servos that are underneath. Then I had to take the servo arm off the aileron, servo, so that I could disconnect the push rods for the elevators. And that enabled me to then disconnect those 2 push rods and put on the tail end, on the control surface end, to put the rod into the outer hole, and then on the servo end to put it on the inner hole. So mechanically, there would be less throw on the mid mode and probably the expert mode as well. And then just glued the piece of foam back in place and still looked as good as new. So let's give this a fly on this recommended mod by Ground Control RC and see how well it flies. Let's hope it's better. Here we go. Oh wow, I have to say he's a genius, because even after one circuit it is flying so much better than it did previously. Fantastic. Keep with it, Claire.
Just about.
Oh, sorry about that. A bit close. Two clicks of up trim. Sorry, over your head again. So I'm so confident now, I'm going to put it in expert mode. Oh! Which was a mistake. So yes, expert mode, still very, very sensitive. So just leave it on mid mode. One more quick flight. But I'm genuinely amazed. Train. I'm genuinely amazed how much better this flies with that mod recommended by Ground Control RC. One more go. Oh, actually, just make sure I'm in the right mode. Mid mode. So let's bring it into land. We'll come around the other way. Ready, Claire?
Yeah.
Oh, maybe not. was looking at me with this, oh my god, where's it gone? expression on her face. So that's the only downside with mid mode. The bank angle is only about that, so it is quite a wide turning area. I'm going to have to do a third video on expert mode when I've got my head around that, because that is still super sensitive. So if you get one of these, then I really recommend that you make this modification that I've shown, because it just makes it so much more flyable. So thanks very much to Ground Control RC for sharing that mod. Thanks for watching this. You might want to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications of our future uploads and live streams. We're going to be doing lots of this stuff over the next few weeks. Thanks to Claire on camera.
Okay.
And we'll see you next time. Cheers. Oh wow. I have to say he's a genius, because even after one circuit it is flying so much better than it did previously.